Assalamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. Today we are going to learn rules for Arabic numbers inshallah. Al-adadu wa tamyizuhu. Indeed, this is very important and one of the most complicated or difficult topic in Arabic because each set of numbers has different rules, unlike in English. In English, the number one is singular, but from 2 to infinity all are plural. But in Arabic, not like that. So let's begin. Arabic language has certain rules to deal with numbers. Their haraka or ending vowels are changed according to their case endings. We can divide these into 4 sets. First one, al-adadul mufrad, singular numbers. These are from 1 to 10. Second one, al-adadul murakkab, compound numbers, and these are from 11 to 19. And the third one, al-fadul uqud. These are the multiples of tens from 20 to 90. And the last one, al-ma'atuf al-uqud, the numbers used with multiples of tens from 21 to 99, such as 21, 22, 23 till 29. So let's learn them in detail. We are going to start from number 1 and 2, wahid wa ithnan. The numbers 1 and 2 always match or agree with the gender and end case of the noun they qualify. The number is called al-adad, and the noun counted is called al-ma'dud or al-tamyiz. Let's give examples. لدي بيت واحد وسيارة واحدة. I have one house and one car. As we see, for number 1 and 2, numbers comes after the noun. It qualifies the noun like adjective. The number must agree with the noun in terms of gender and end case. Both must have dhamma, both must be same gender. Baytun wahidun, one house, wa sayyaratun wahidatun, and one car. Ishtaraitu baytan wahidan wa sayyaratan wahidatan. I bought one house and one car. The first one was in nominative case, and this sentence in accusative case. It's a mansub. Both of them must have fatha, the number and the noun qualified. And the third sentence is in genitive case. Sallamtu ala rajulin wahidin wa imra'atin wahidatin. I greeted upon one man and one woman. Ala is preposition and it changed the haraka of the following word to kasra. Ala rajulin wahidin. If the noun gets kasra, the number also must get kasra. And the next sentence is for number 2. I use the same sentence as number 1 to understand it better. To make it easier, لدي بيتان اثنان والسيارتان اثنتان. I have 2 houses and 2 cars. Next sentence in accusative case. In accusative case, it gets ya and nun. اشتريت بيتين اثنين والسيارتين اثنتين. I bought 2 houses and 2 cars. And the last sentence in genitive case. سلمت على رجلين اثنين وامرأتين اثنتين. I greeted upon 2 men and 2 women. Let's continue with number 1 and 2. Please note that even al-adad, the number, is not mentioned. The ma'dud itself means 1 or 2. How? Example, لدي بيت وسيارة. I have a house and a car. You see, we didn't use number after the noun, but they still mean 1 or a. I have a house, I have one house, or one car, a car. This was in nominative case, and in accusative case, اشتريت بيتا وسيارة. I bought a house and a car. And genitive case, سلمت على رجل وامرأة. I greeted upon a man and a woman. For number 2, لدي بيتان وسيارتان. I have 2 houses and 2 cars. اشتريت بيتين وسيارتين. I bought 2 houses and 2 cars. And the last sentence in genitive case, سلمت على رجلين وامرأتين. I greeted upon 2 men and 2 women. The dual nouns get ya noon instead of alif noon in accusative and genitive case. Let's continue with numbers 3 to 10. 3 إلى 10. These numbers disagree with the gender of the noun counted, al-ma'dud. If the noun counted is masculine, the number is feminine, and vice versa. Nouns that follow these numbers should be indefinite genitive plural. Examples: جاء 3 طلاب و4 طالبات. 3 male and 4 female students came. The noun for masculine طلاب gets kasra and it is in plural form from 3 to 10, but the number must be feminine, opposite gender. And for feminine noun, the number must be masculine. 3 طلاب, 3 male students, و4 طالبات, and 4 female students. In accusative case, رأيت 5 رجال و6 نساء. I saw 5 men and 6 women. The end case, the haraka of the noun doesn't change. It remains kasra in all cases, but the number can get any 3 haraka depending in their cases: nominative, accusative, or genitive case. Example for genitive case: سلمت على 10 رجال و9 نساء. I greeted upon 10 men and 9 women. The number gets kasra. And next is number 11 and 12. 11 and 12. Both parts of the number agree with the noun counted. The noun counted is singular and accusative. 11 جاء 11 طالبا و11 طالبة. 11 male and 11 female students came. Both parts of the numbers agree with the noun. Must be masculine, masculine, or feminine, feminine. 11 male students and 11 female students. Accusative case: رأيت 11 طالبا و11 طالبة. I saw 11 male and 11 female students. سلمت على 11 طالبا و11 طالبة. I greeted upon 11 male and 11 female students. As we see, the harakat remain same in all 3 cases: nominative, accusative, and genitive case. And number 12, جاء 12 طالبا و12 طالبة. 12 male and 12 female students came. This is in nominative case. In accusative case, إثنى becomes إثني. رأيت 12 طالبا و12 طالبة. I saw 12 male and 12 female students. إثنى alif became ya, and إثنتا became إثنتي. And genitive case will be same as accusative case. سلمت على 12 طالبا و12 طالبة. I greeted upon 12 male and 12 female students. Next, we'll continue with numbers 13 to 19. 13 إلى 19. The first part of the number disagrees with the noun counted in gender, and the second part agrees. Both numbers are always accusative. The noun counted is singular and always accusative. Examples: جاء 13 طالبا و14 طالبة. 13 male and 14 female students came. 13 طالبا, 13 male students. The noun is masculine, but the first part of the number must be feminine, must be opposite gender of the noun counted. But the second part, the tense, must be same gender as the noun, must agree with the noun. And here for feminine, 14 طالبة. The first part disagrees with the noun, the second part agrees with the noun. رأيت 15 طالبا و17 طالبة. I saw 15 male and 17 female students. As we see, the hierarchy of the numbers and the nouns remain same in both nominative and accusative case, as well as in genitive case. Next will be عقود. ألفاظ العقود, rules for numbers such as 20, 30, 40 till 90. These are called ألفاظ العقود, multiples of tens. They have the form of the sound masculine plural, such as مسلمون, معلمون, مدرسون, plural of sound masculine. There is no feminine form of these numbers. They remain same for feminine nouns. Ishuna is used for male and female. In nominative case they get waw and noon. In accusative and genitive case they get ya and noon. The noun counted is singular and accusative. على المكتب 20 كتابا أو مجلة. There are 20 books or magazines on the desk. I used two different genders because there's no feminine form of 20. They must be used for feminine and masculine. 20 كتابا, 20 مجلة. In accusative case, قرأت 20 كتابا أو مجلة. I read 20 books or 20 magazines. Wow becomes ya in accusative case. And also in genitive case, اشتريت الكتاب ب20 دولارا. I bought the book for $20. B is preposition in Arabic and it changes the hierarchy to kasra for singular and for plural to ya and nun. ب20. Next will be المعطوف على العقود. The numbers, the unit numbers used with multiples of tens. 21 to 29, 31 to 39 until 91 to 99, etc. 21 and 22 agree with the noun counted in gender. The noun counted is singular and accusative. But from 23 to 29 disagree with the noun counted in gender. The noun counted is singular and accusative. Examples: في الفصل 21 طالبا. There are 21 male students in the class. في الفصل واحدة or 21 طالبة. There are 21 female students in the class. You can use for 21 واحدة or إحدى. This is for 21 and 22. في الفصل 22 طالبا. There are 22 male students in the class. في الفصل 22 طالبة. There are 22 female students in the class. As we see, the number is same gender as the noun counted. The number agrees with the noun. Ishuna remains same for all gender, for both genders. But from 23 to 29, the number disagrees with the noun counted. في الفصل 23 طالبا. There are 23 male students in the class. As we see, the number disagrees with the noun counted. The noun is masculine, but the number is feminine from 23 to 29. في الفصل 23 طالبة. There are 23 female students in the class. Sorry, this is supposed to be female, not male. طالبة is female students, and the number must be masculine. Next will be numbers 100 and above. Rules for numbers 100 and above. 100 can be written like this or like that. مئة مئة. Both are pronounced same, but in the second way we add alif, but we don't pronounce alif. Hundreds and thousands remain same for masculine and feminine noun. There's no masculine or feminine form. The noun counted is singular and genitive. The letter noon is dropped from 200 and 2000, مئتان and ألفان, when used with a noun. When they are followed with a noun, the noon is dropped. They get ya in accusative and genitive case. Let's give examples. مئة طالب أو طالبة. 100 male or female students. As you see, we use مئة, 100, for both masculine and feminine noun. مئة طالب أو طالبة. 200 male or female students. We see the noon is dropped. It was مئتان, but when we use with a noun, when it is followed with a noun, the noon must be dropped. 300 طالب or طالبة. 300 male or female students. There is no plural form of مئة. It remains singular from 100 to 900. And thousands. 1000 طالب أو طالبة. 1000 male or female students. 1000 also must be used for both masculine and feminine noun. 1000 طالب أو طالبة. 2000 male or female students. Again, same like مئتان, the noun is dropped for ألفان. It became ألفا when we use with a noun. 3000 3000 طالب أو طالبة. Unlike hundreds, thousands becomes plural from 3000 to 10,000. ألف is 1000, ألفان 2000, آلاف thousands from 3 to 10,000. And finally, as we said, they get ya in accusative and genitive case. 200 and 2000 gets ya in accusative and genitive case. اشتريت 200 أو 1000 كتاب. I bought 200 or 2000 books. 200 and 1000 became 200 and 1000 in accusative and genitive case. This is all about numbers, rules for numbers from 1 to thousands. I hope this lesson was beneficial and useful and will help you to learn and to make it easy for you, inshallah. If you can't learn all the numbers at once, I recommend you to learn step by step, starting from 1 and 2, and then from 3 to 10, and then learn later 11 to 19, and then later 20 to 100, etc. Learn step by step instead of learning all at once. See you next lesson, inshallah. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.